we just learned how we can restore database from single file. In this demonstration, we will learn how we can import and restore database from the dump folder. Let's open MySQL Workbench and click on connection. Over here, select data import or restore option under navigator selection. Leave import from the dump project folder as it is and select dump folder over here. The dump folder is C, backup and individual. As soon as we select this folder, it will automatically bring up database which is available in project folder. The database which is available is Sakila database. Upon selecting, it will bring up all the objects from this database. We can either select all the table or any individual table as well. For this demonstration, we will try to select only payment table from this backup. For that, we will first explore our current Sakila database and go to payment table. Select the table and drop it. It will bring up this option. Select drop now. And now payment table is gone from this option. Select refresh to double check that payment table does not exist in our current database. Now we'll come over here and unselect all the tables. We'll select single payment table as option to restore. Now select start import. The import process is completed successfully. When we see the log file, we can see it has restored file which is sakila_payment.sql. This file contained schema and data for payment table. Now under navigator section, click refresh. It will automatically bring up payment table over here. This table did not exist before. That means it has been restored from our dump folder. With the help of data import feature of MySQL Workbench, either we can select all the tables or restore individual tables. As you can see, importing data with the help of MySQL Workbench is very smooth process.